Hello guys, welcome to Smart Learning Point. In today's class, we're going to be looking at how to open PowerPoint from the computer. Without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the Start menu. So let's locate the Start menu. So this is the Start menu here. Most of the time on computers, you're going to see the Start menu located around here, around this corner. So you see it here. So if your own is there, so all you need to do is to left click on it, and then it's going to toggle the Start menu to you like this. Or you can also use the Windows key on your computer's keyboard. When you press on it from your computer, you're going to see this showing up. So the next thing we need to do now is to search for PowerPoint. So from this search field that is displayed to us, search for PowerPoint. So just press POW, and then you will see PowerPoint showing up. In case you don't see PowerPoint showing up, that simply means you did not install PowerPoint on your computer. So because there is PowerPoint on this computer, so PowerPoint is showing up. The next thing you're going to do if PowerPoint is showing up on your computer is to left click on PowerPoint. Now this will open your PowerPoint. So PowerPoint has been launched. So now this view you're seeing right here is called the backstage view. So this is the backstage view. This backstage view is divided into two sections. The first section is the left section, and the right section is this section right here. Okay, the first section, it shows the navigation. So it shows different tabs like the home tab, new tab, open tab, account tab, feedback, and options. Okay, the home tab, any of these tabs that you click on is going to display on the right side. So when we're on the home tab, it's going to display another extra tabs like the new tab and also the recent and the pin tab. Then if you click on the new tab, it's going to show some extra things too. So if we go to the home tab back, we see the new. So from this new, we can actually create a new presentation from here. If you're going to create a new presentation from the scratch, we use this blank presentation. If you're going to create a new presentation, then we want to simply design from a predefined template. All we need to do, we can make use of this one. These are predefined templates. We can make use of these ones. Okay, so then another thing I want you to see, we have the recent presentations. So any presentation that we have worked on before, maybe we have designed the presentation, so we can see them right here. So all the presentation, you see them in this place. Then we have the new tab. So if you go to the new tab, you can also see from the new tab, we can add new presentations. So this first one you are seeing here, this blank presentation, will help you to design your presentation from the ground up. That means there is no color attached to it. Color has not been added to it. Colors like maybe blue, red, and all those stuffs, or maybe even shapes to it. There's nothing like that. Everything is just bare bone. You have to design it from the ground up. But for these slides, Integra, Facet, Gallery, Ion, Boardroom, Office Team, Organic, Restore Spreads, and Wisp, all these are predefined templates. So this template comes with your PowerPoint. So if you need to design by using all these predefined templates, you can actually do that. So if you look at these templates that we have here now, this template, they already have some few design to them, like the color, the background color, and even the color of the shapes is chosen in advance. So if you choose any of these, it means you're going to be designing your presentation based on what has been given to you. Okay, but if you're going to design everything from the ground up, you don't want to rely, you want to have full control on the way you design, you can start from this blank presentation. Okay, let's check the next tab. The next tab is the open tab. So from the open tab, you can also see that we have the vertical tab here. So from this vertical tab, we have the recent tab. If you're on the recent tab, you're going to see presentations here and the folders. Presentations is holding the presentation that you recently worked on, is going to show up here, and the folders that has those presentations will also be here. Okay, great. Then the next one here is the OneDrive folder. So if you're not online, this one will not work. So in case you need to open something from your OneDrive, you can click on this to open it from OneDrive if you're online. So we also have this computer. This is talking about the computer you're working on right now. So if you click on that, this computer is going to open up like this. You can browse to the folder which your presentation is. I'm going to skip this add a place because add a place is also online. Then let me go to browse. So browse will simply go to your computer just like this PC, but this time around is opening a box for you where you can simply directly go to where the presentation is located in. So for instance, if your presentation is in the document folder, all you need to do is to click on this document folder. If your presentation is in the desktop, you click on the desktop, and then from the desktop you can actually click on your presentation. Just left click on it one time and click on open, and that way you'll be able to open your presentation. But for now, we're not going to do this, so let me cancel out of this. So the next tab we're looking at is the account tab. So if you click on the account tab, you're going to see this. So what we're interested in here is the office theme. So the office theme, this is where we change how our PowerPoint is looking, like the color of this PowerPoint software. So let's have a look on this. If I click on the use system theme now, because that is the office theme that is already on, is the use system setting. So if I click on colorful, notice what happened. Can you see it's changed to white? Okay, let me click on this back and click on dark gray. You see that? So it's changing the way our PowerPoint software is looking. So you can also use the black or even the white. Or I would like to stick to my system setting. So let me use system setting. So it depends on your preference. So mine, I'm going to stick with use system setting. So let me click that back. So for now, I'm going to leave the feedback and the options. So we don't need that now. So let's go back to the home tab. So from the home tab, we want to design our presentation from the ground up. We don't want to rely on the predefined template of the PowerPoint. So if we want to do that from the ground up, we use this blank presentation. So remember, if you're creating a new presentation, if you're asked to create a new presentation, if you click on this blank presentation, what you're simply doing there is you're creating a new presentation. If you also click on this predefined template too, you're also creating a new presentation. But the only difference is this one already had some few design to it, while this one has no design to it. You have to build everything from the ground up. Okay, since we're going to be building everything from the ground up, we click on blank presentation.